President-elect Joe Biden continues to lay out plans for his upcoming administration, despite ongoing challenges from President Trump and his supporters over the election results. CBS 4's Natalie Brand is in Wilmington, Delaware, with more.
President-elect Joe Biden discussed the Affordable Care Act after the U.S. Supreme Court heard arguments on the constitutionality of the landmark health care law.
Come January, we're going to work quickly with the Congress to dramatically ramp up health care protections.
Is it time to concede?
On Capitol Hill, Vice President Mike Pence attended a closed meeting with Senate Republicans where lawmakers expressed support for President Trump's challenges to the election results.
Until the Electoral College votes, anyone who's running for office can exhaust concerns.
The president continues to make unsubstantiated claims of voter fraud and ballot counting abuse. Meanwhile, lawmakers are reacting to a memo issued by Attorney General Bill Barr this week telling prosecutors they can pursue substantial allegations of voting irregularities before the election is certified.
I thought it was perfectly appropriate.
What he did yesterday is unprecedented and unforgivable.
Here in Delaware, President-elect Biden says the transition continues and they have enough resources even if the General Services Administration continues to block the process.
Have you tried to reach out at all to the president? And if he is watching right now, what would you say to him?
Mr. President, look forward to speaking with you.
There will be a smooth transition to a second Trump administration.
Secretary Pompeo says the world should have every confidence that the State Department is functional and successful with the president who's in office on January 20th. Senior administration officials tell CBS News there are still no plans to consider inviting Biden to the White House until after all legal options are exhausted. Natalie Brand, CBS News, Wilmington, Delaware.
President-elect Biden has begun receiving phone calls from world leaders. Today, he spoke with the leaders of the United Kingdom, Ireland, France, and Germany. Florida Senator Rick Scott released this statement today after he was elected by his colleagues to chair the National Republican Senatorial Committee. It reads in part, quote, "I am honored my colleagues entrusted me with this responsibility, and I look forward to the challenge. Keeping a Senate majority is vitally important to the future of this country and to preserving the American dream," end quote. Look for much more on the Biden administration's transition tonight on the CBS Evening News with Nora O'Donnell. That's at 6:30 after CBS 4 News at 6.